Today, we're making a sweet, crunchy Moroccan dessert called Jawhara or milk pastilla. Crispy layers of fried pastry, orange blossom cream, and toasted crushed almonds. Now to make the cream, combine 2 cups of milk with half a cup of sugar over medium heat. Dissolve a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch with just a bit more milk to create a slurry and add it to the pot. If you're using plant-based milk like I am, I'm using almond milk here, you may need just a bit more cornstarch to achieve the right consistency. You can also add a cinnamon stick at this point if you like, it's totally optional. Bring to a boil, reduce to simmer, and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the mixture starts to thicken and nicely coats your spoon. Remove from heat, strain through a fine mesh sieve, and add a tablespoon of orange blossom water and let that chill. Now for the pastry. If we're keeping things really traditional, you'll want to use Moroccan Warqa pastry here. It's really hard to find outside of Morocco, so check out my video on how you can make it at home, or you can use Filo Dough or Tunisian brick pastry as a substitute. Fry the pastry on each side until golden brown. Now to assemble, spoon your orange blossom cream onto a sheet of fried pastry and top with crushed roasted or fried almonds, and repeat. I made mine with 5 layers, but I've seen these piled very high. This dessert is best eaten immediately after assembly while it's still crunchy. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!